Okay, guys, I don't know what to do next year. There's something weird going on with something in the kitchen. I'll show you what it is here any second. Well, it's this. You see this right here? I have no idea what this is, but apparently when I open it, it flashes. And then when I close it, it turns back on. Yeah, I have no idea what this is about, but we've only had this for a few months, and apparently a trouble decides to come up on it. Which, I don't know why, but if you guys know anything about this, I really appreciate it, because I have no idea what to do about all this. I mean, I tried adjusting some settings, but apparently the temperature's at the right spot, so it obviously has nothing to do with the temperature, but yeah. And obviously the motor of the fridge is working just right, so but it would be greatly appreciated if you knew what this is about, right? So anyways, guys, that's it.